Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel Forex House, the #1 channel where we help traders like you improve your trading strategies and achieve better results. In today's video, we'll reveal one thing you're missing in your trading strategy that could potentially make huge difference in your trading results. If you're like most traders, you'll probably spend countless hours researching, analyzing the charts, and testing different trading strategies, but despite your efforts, you're still struggling to make consistent profits. Well, I have good news for you. The missing piece of puzzle is something that's often overlooked, but it's incredibly important. So what is it? The one thing you're missing in your trading strategy is risk management. Yes, you heard me right. Risk management is very crucial for any trader regardless of the experience level so as to be successful in the long run. Now before you click off this video, I know what you might be thinking. I already know about risk management. I always use stop losses and position sizing. But guys, risk management is more than just these basic tools. It's a mindset and a set of principles that you need to follow to protect your capital and maximize your gains. Imagine this scenario. You are analyzing the markets and you have identified a potential trade. You have done your due diligence and you feel confident that this trade is going to work out. So you enter the trade and things seem to be going well at first, but then all of a sudden the market turns against you, and before you know it, you have lost a significant portion of your trading capital. Sounds familiar? I bet it does. Many traders we have passed through this phase. The truth is, many traders experience this scenario all too often. They put in time and effort to analyze the markets and identify potential trades. But when it comes to managing their risk, they fall short. And that's the one thing that they're missing in their trading strategy, a proper risk management plan. Without a proper risk management plan, you are vulnerable to emotional decisions that can lead to losses. You might hold on to losing trades for too long or take on too much risk on a single trade, hoping to make a quick profit, but these trading decisions can backfire and wipe out all of your trading capital. A risk management plan is a set of laws and guidelines that you follow to manage your risk when trading. It includes things like your position sizing, your stop loss strategy, and your overall risk tolerance. By having a solid risk management plan in place, you can reduce your losses and increase your profits over the long term. In conclusion, if you want to improve your trading results and achieve your trading goals, you need to focus on developing a solid risk management plan. This includes determining your risk tolerance, establishing a stop loss strategy, and continuously evaluating and adjusting your plan over time, as by doing so, you can reduce your losses and increase your profits over the long term. Remember, the markets can be unpredictable. Even the best traders in the world experience losses. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Until next time, happy trading.